In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Dropbox. If you need to move files from your computer into the cloud, this is a quick, reliable way to do it using Google Chrome. I'll walk you through two simple methods, explain what you'll see on screen as things upload, and share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. First up, the fastest way. Drag and drop. With your Dropbox page open in Chrome, make sure you're looking at the folder where you want your content to land. Then, open your computer's file browser so you can see the files you want to upload. Click a file, hold your mouse button, and drag it right into the Dropbox window. As soon as you drop it, look to the bottom of the screen. A blue bar will appear showing your upload progress. If you're moving several items, you can drag multiple files at once, and Dropbox will queue them automatically. For best results, keep the browser tab open and your internet connection steady until the upload completes. If your file is large, give it a moment. Chrome and Dropbox will handle the rest. This same drag and drop approach works with folders as well, which makes organizing big batches a lot easier. If you prefer using menus, there's a built-in upload button. In the Dropbox page, click the blue upload button. You'll see options to upload individual files or an entire folder. Choose Files if you're selecting a few items scattered across your computer, or choose Folder if everything you want is already grouped together. A system window will pop up. Browse to the files you want, select them, and then click Open. Dropbox will start the upload right away, and you don't need to do anything else while it runs. If you picked a folder, Chrome may briefly ask for permission to upload folders. Just confirm, and the transfer will begin. While the upload is running, keep an eye on the bottom of the screen. That progress bar is your status indicator. It will move from left to right as each file completes. When the bar turns green, your upload is finished, and your items are safely stored in your Dropbox. You'll see the files appear in the list in the folder you chose, which is a quick visual confirmation that everything worked. And that's it. Uploaded, synced, and safe. Your files are now ready to access from any device where you use Dropbox, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. You're all set.